Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can turn on and off your substitute in eFootball. It's pretty simple. So for this, you need to go on where it says game plan. Now from inside game plan, you can see your team's logo at the top left corner. So you can see my team's logo over here, so I will click on it. Now once you click on your team's logo, you can see the option called automatic match support. Click on automatic match support. The first option, substitution, click on it. And if your off is tick marked, that means you need to manually substitute player in the middle of the match. But if you want the auto substitution to be on, you want to choose 3 of this option, very late. Very late means that your player is going to be substituted at around 80 minutes or something like that. If you click on flexible, it's going to choose random time. Your player might be substituted in 45 minutes or 60 minutes or 90 minutes. If you choose very early, your players are going to be substituted very early, like around 45 minutes, 50 minutes at that duration. But if you click on off, you have to do it yourself in whichever time you want. So click on done and you have turned on or turned off your substitute depending on the settings you chose. So that is how you guys can turn on and off substitution in eFootball. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.